2001 GMC Sierra with a Vortex Max 6.0 liter engine. That's gonna sound phenomenal. We put two high flow catalytic converters on it, one there, one there. Then it was true dualed before by somebody else and had FLOWMASTER 40s on it with turn downs. And we said, sounds like, you know, doo-doo. I don't want to say the bad word. So we took it off and replaced it with 3-inch in, 3-inch out FLOWMASTER Super 10s with 3-inch turn downs instead of this 2 1/4 crap that looks like crap. We can't take that. We like it beautiful. And that absolutely looks beautiful. If you guys agree, subscribe and hit that like button. This is gonna sound phenomenal too. So there's the high flow cats. There and there. And the Super 10s there with turn downs. Beast mode initiated. Those Super 10s right here. Here's the part number 843016. If you guys want to purchase them, there'll be a link in the description for them. GMC Sierra. He was here about, what did I say, a couple of months ago. He didn't have the tune on it or nothing. It's a 5.3. It's got a cam in it. He's got it pretty much built. And he just got it tuned, and his tuner said he didn't want any restriction. So he brought it back to us. Still got the high flow cats there and there. And then we true dualed it all the way back, and it had two FLOWMASTER Super 10s on it, right there. As you guys can see them, right there. And he said, no, we want to cut them off and do straight pipe. So we straight piped it with 3-inch pipe right there with dump downs, as you guys can see. And there's the Super 10s we cut off. He didn't want them on there no more. They were still restricting his tune. And like always, guys, subscribe if you like our work. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 110. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. Man, that's loud. Again? What do you guys think? Straight pipe true duals with dumps. Again? Sound decibels. Again? 108. Go ahead and back it up. You can hear the cam. Rup, 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 rup. Look at that cam. You can hear that cam. You know? That's what we like about it. Nice. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Got shorty headers on it, cold air intake, Spectra. Came out really nice. Give a guess. You guys can really hear it. There's the headers. Really nice. Really nicely done. Really beautiful truck. Really clean. There it is. Hope you guys like it. Really nice set of wheels. Just clean all the way around.